Okay, is it audible, visible, nicely? Good afternoon, everyone. So, where was the last 2 o'clock class stopped at? What was the concept I was doing last 2 o'clock batch? Can anyone tell me? 2 to 4, what I was doing? It was the last concept I did. Yeah, SQL queries I know. Almost complete SQL is SQL queries only. But what was the... Okay, did I do is operator? Did I do is operator? 1 minute. Did I do is operator? Okay, so now we did 2 operators as of yesterday, means last week. It is in operator whenever you want to fetch multiple values, like display all the employees who are in department number 20 and 30. If the scenario is like this, so we had written select star from EMP where department number in 20, 30. So this was the way we were doing. So it was fetching multiple values whenever you want to fetch more than one values. That is 20 is one value and 30 is one more value. Whenever you want to fetch more than one values, we were using in operator. So let us open the SQL and we will see here Scott Tiger. You guys have to install this if you want to practice and get the job, or else it will not help you. See here, you got two values in operator 20 and 30, multiple values you got. Next we did is operator. Why we used is operator? Can anyone tell me in the group why we used in operator? Why in operator was used? Yes, good. In operator was used to fetch null values, which was done in the last week. Order by, commission. I'll teach about order by. If you see, all these are null values, not empty space. Whenever we want to fetch null values, we have to use null values. So let us do that. Okay, so it was select star from EMP where commission is null. If you want to fetch null values, you have to use where commission is null. If you want to fetch which has data, you have to give commission is not null. Okay, just look at here. Okay, we got all the thing which is having null values. So now let us do one more operator. I will start up with a question. I have a question like display all the employees whose employee name start with letter S. Can you guys tell me? Display all the employees whose employee name start with letter S. Can you guys means in the table what is my requirement is? Let me clear it off. So correct Vijay Kumar, we have to use percentage. Good. So let me explain and make all the people to understand. I want to display only those people or employee details whose name start with letter S. That is Smith. What Arsha has written is proper. Okay, Vijay Kumar, we don't need double percentage, only 1%. I need Smith because his name start with letter S, and I need Scott, his name start with letter S. So what you guys have done is, I will show you here. You have to write a query like this. Let me explain you what does that mean. Select star from EMP where employee name like yes percentage. So you have to understand this. Okay, so you want all the people whose names start with S. Smith and Scott are the people. So you have to odd code S. Odd code S means you have to write explicitly S. This will ensure that first alphabet whosoever in the table start with letter S only will be picked. And we have one more operator called percentage. Percentage works like star. Works like star means what? All the values it will pick. Star means all the values. That means after letter S, whatever alphabet is there, it starts picking up. So after S, even if you have 100 alphabets, it will pick only one alphabet. It will pick. That means if you have a name SA, also it will pick. After S, you have 1 lakh alphabet, also it will pick. But what is the requirement is first letter will be always S. So percentage works like a star. All the values of name start with Vijay Kumar. Yes, name start with S. Yes. So now, whenever you are using percentage, you have to use like operator. You cannot write equal to operator. See here, you cannot write equal to operator because under like operator only you have percentage. Try to understand. Under like you have percentage. That means you have to mandatorily use like operator whenever percentage is there. Clear? Any confusion? Anyone? So let me first show you the output. I have to copy this in Notepad because that in the WordPad it is not taken as comma. It is taken as it is not taken as single quotes. So let me make this as single quote. Now, Smith and Scott. Now ask me if you have any question. Anyhow, I have some of the questions, interview question, which I will be giving you guys, which you guys will be working now. But good. Some people have some doubt. Your doubt would be clarified once I start giving. Vijay Kumar, I didn't understand. Just concentrate on SQL commands. I don't know for whom what you are telling. Okay. So now let us do the next one. Okay. Now I have one more question. Display all the employees whose second letter should start with letter A. Display all the employees whose second letter should start with letter A. Can you guys, anyone can give me what can be the output? Display all the employees whose second letter should start with letter A. Anyone knows this? Means, okay, let me show in the table whom I require. Who are all the people in the table? You should only tell me who are having second letter as A. Start from EMP. Who are all the people who are having second letter as A? No, Vijay Kumar, that is okay. That is not dash underscore. Yeah, that would be correct. Yeah. Ashwini, that is not right. Arsha, that is not right. Okay, now tell me who are all the people. See, I have to get Ward because his second alphabet is A. I have to get James whose second letter is A. I have to get Martin. So Ward, Martin, James. These are all the three people. Ward, Martin, James. These are all the three people who are having A in their second position. So what I have to do is, I should have only one alphabet. For example, if I take Ward, I should have only one alphabet before A. Everyone will agree there should be only one alphabet. If my second position has to be letter A, that means there is only one alphabet before A. And after A, are you concerned there should be only two alphabet, three alphabet? You are not concerned. After A, it can be hundreds of alphabet or crores of alphabet. But before A there should be only one alphabet. So there is one more special wildcard character called underscore. Underscore meaning is it can hold only one alphabet. You will understand this. I have a lot of interview question. You will understand. You can ask me doubt. I will help you out. After that, we have to give percentage, because after A you are not concerned, because percentage refers like star or all, or you can consider a 0 or n characters. So let me explain you through MS Paint. It would be more better, because yeah, if it was classroom I could have shown you through both. So now through MS Paint I have to explain you. Where my handwriting painting. Okay, so now okay. So I'll show you the table also for your better understanding. All the answer give me together. Okay. Okay. So now people are doing select start from EMP where rename like. Okay, that's correct. One only people are doing. Okay. Okay, let me show you the answer. Okay, let me show you the answer of all the questions. Okay, so first one is the EMP whose employee name is not with letter S, not end with letter S. So now select star from EMP where E name, whose E name end with letter S, where E name like yes, okay, end with percentages. So I want at the end who are all the people whose name is ending with letter S. Only those employee details I want to display. So let us run this. That's why I have written yes at the end. Okay, that's why I have written yes at the end. Okay, so Jones, Adam, Jim. Jones, Adam, Jim. These people details are ending with letter S. Okay, so now let us go with the next one. List the EMP whose name does not start with letter S. So now select start from EMP. Whenever you have something like does not start, you have to write where E name not like. Yes, percentage. It is not starting. Does not start. Where E name not like. So it is not starting with letter S. You can see the names are not starting with letter S. This was my requirement. You have to use not like. If you write like S percentage, only the people whose name starting with letter S. We have done the first example. Smith Scott. Those will happen. Now I want the people whose name does not start with letter S. Okay. So now let us do the next one. List the EMP whose ename does not end with letter S. So select star from EMP where ename does not end, where ename not like does not end, yeah, where ename not like percentages means I don't want the people whose name is ending with letter S. If I write ename like percentages, I'll get the people whose name is ending with letter S. We have already done James, Adams, all those people name are ending with letter S. Now these people name are not ending with letter S. Where ename not like S percentage. Okay. Now list the EMP who are having L as their second letter or having A in their second letter. So here I want the people whose name is having L in their second position or A in their second position. That means in the table whom all I have to get is, if I am having A in their second position, what I have to get? If they are having L in their second position, I have to get Martin, I have to get Clark, I have to get Blake, I have to get all these people I have to get. Again James I have to get for having A or L in their second position. Now let us do that. Pramila, I would suggest you to do practically by yourself, because software already I have told you how to install. Do by yourself, you will understand. That is the best way rather than asking, because you can do. Once you have software, you do that percentage before percentage, after that you give percentage, what is the behavior, you can just check it out. That is the best way. Okay, so now let us do this. Select star from EMP where ename like underscore L percentage or ename like underscore A percentage. Who are having L in their second position, who are having A in their second position. Okay. So now let us do the, see, you got right the output. All the people who are having L in their second position or A in their second position. You have to give or E name, like this is a syntax. You cannot give in any other way. You have doubt? Please try practically. You will understand. You do some other way, it will throw an error. Okay. So now let us do the next one. Next one is list the EMP whose job starts with letter MAN. List the EMP whose job starts with letter MAN. So select start from EMP where ename like MAN percentage. Rename like MAN percentage. Why I am not getting? Sorry, we don't have any employee name. Yes, good. We don't have any employee name with man. We have to put a job, because even in my question, if you observe, I have given job. So there is no employee name which will start with letter MAN. We have job, managers we have. Can you see here? We got manager. Okay. So now let us continue with the next one. Next one is list the EMP whose job end with letter MAN. So it is select star from EMP where job like percentage MAN. Okay. Salesman. Can you see a salesman? All these people name end with letter MAN. In operator, no, you cannot use. How can you write a query, Prakruti? If you write a query, I'll tell. Okay, the Dana has written. I don't know the full name. Whatever I see here is Dana. Okay, if we need name where the letter is third letter, then what we have to do? I will put the question for you guys only. Same question. Third letter as L. My question, one more question for you guys is display all the EMP whose employee name as third letter as L. So can you guys do this now, right now? Yes, we should use 2 underscore. Yes, select star from EMP where employee name like underscore L percentage, because one underscore can hold only one alphabet, one more underscore can hold second alphabet. So can you see here, who are having L in their third position? I have got Alan Miller. Clear Dana? Okay, yeah, Natasha has also given a right answer. Good. So now let us do the last one. List the EMP whose side date is on any date in February 1981. So select star from EMP where IR date like, you can give percentage, no, 8102 percentage, because all dates are format sensitive. You cannot write however you want. No rows selected. Select this date from dual. What is the date format? It is like this. Got right? The same format you have to write your SQL query. Select star from EMP where IR date like 81 Feb percentage. Why I didn't got? Are there no people? Sorry, yes, it's my mistake. My format is wrong. Yes. See the format. Okay, let me clear the screen. Select sys date from dual. What is the format? DD MONYY. That is date, month, YY. So select star from EMP where IR date like percentage Feb 81. Only then I'll get the output. All dates are format sensitive. Okay, notepad is not visible. I will put all these things. I will not do in notepad. Okay, I will do everything here only. That is the best thing. Okay, we'll do everything on the word pad only. Okay. Got that? Anyone, any doubt in like operator? Anyone, any doubt can ask me. Okay. So now let us continue with one more operator, simple operator, which is between operator. See, between operator is same as your English language. When you will call any operator as between operator, or when you will use a between. See, because see the question, Dana, in the question they have told list the EMP whose side date is on any date in February 1981. Means in February 1981, any person who was joined in 01, 02, 03 till 28, all these people I have to get. So what I will do is I'll put percentage. Percentage means all, any date it will pick. See, there are two wildcard character. Yes, parameter matching character. I don't know, percentage and underscore comes under like operator. If I tell like operator, under like we have percentage and underscore. You should know why we use percentage. Percentage works like 0 or n characters. Means I just gave you the jar example. In one jar you have 1 crore alphabet also. Putting percentage you will get. That means after if you want an employee name starting with letter S, after S you have 1 crore alphabet also it will fetch. But underscore is not like that. It can hold only one alphabet. Whenever you want any person whose second position has to be A or third position has to be C, you have to use underscore. Date, sir, in the date if year is not given and asked to find between date and month, then you can do like this. Okay, what is not given? In the date if year is not given. Okay, you see, if year is not given, what is the meaning if year is not given? If the question would be something like this: display all the employees who have joined in any year in the month of February. In the month of February, like this you are asking, Preeti. If like this, it will be select star from EMP, where hire date like percentage February percentage. That means any year, any month, any year, any date, but he has to be joined only in the month of February. That is the meaning of this. Got this? For single quote, is it not required? See, it's not number, Natasha, it is a date. For date, numbers it is not required single quotes, but for date and character you have to give in single quotes. Okay, so now let me show you this output, so you'll understand better. Again, I have to come here, change it to this quotes. After that, I have to come here. So you can see any year, any month. In my table, there are only 81 because very few records. So clear, everyone? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, so alright, let us continue with between operator then, if you don't have any doubt. So between operator, see, between operator is same as your English language. Between operator is same as your English language. Means in English language, when you will use the word between, if I tell I want to give a job for a person whose age is between 16 to 21, then I can give a job for a person whose age is 16, for a person whose age is 17. Till 21, I can give job for every person. I can give job for every person. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 19, 20, 21. For every person I can give a job till 21. Same thing, if I tell I will give a salary between 2000 to 5000 means I can give salary, minimum salary I can give is 2000, not even 1999, and the maximum salary I can give for any person is 5000. But I can give between this any salary 2000. That is what in English language. Even in our SQL, the meaning is same. The meaning is same means if I give a question or a query stating that display all the employee whose salary is between 2000 and 5000. Display all the employee whose salary is between 2000 and 5000. This means I want all the people whose salary is between this. So where salary between lower limit, that is 2000 and 5000. This is how I write the query. So syntax can be select star or column name from table name, where column name between lower limit and upper limit where column name between lower limit and upper limit. So this is a syntax for writing any SQL query. So now let me run this. Obviously, as I have already told, mandatorily you have to give semicolon for any SQL. Whether I tell, not tell, I forgot to tell, but in the query you want to get the output, you have to write SQL semicolon. And again, please start practicing in your laptop taking the software, or else only hearing theory will never fetch your job. Okay, so you can see this. Select start from issue with salary between 2000 and 5000. The minimum salary would be 2000 and the maximum salary would be 5000. Not below 2000, not above 5000. So now I have few questions for you. Let me give you that. Before that, let me give one point on between operator. Make a note, anyhow you will get this file. Okay, let me do in WordPad only, not in the notepad. So if I tell between operator, it is used for comparing. It is used for comparing range of values. It is used for comparing range of values. The lower limit should be declared first. The negation of between operator is not between. The negation of between operator is not between. List the EMP who are earning salary between, who are, I will give it, who are not earning salary between 1500 to 3000. This is one question. Second question. List the EMP who don't have hire date from 1981 to 1983. Third one, list the EMP who have hire date from 1981 to 1983. And one more question I will give. Fourth question, let me give you. I will give all the question. You can give me the answer all together. List all the EMP who are working in department number 10 and 20 but salary are not in the range of 2500 or 2000 to 3500. So you can solve these four questions. I will just send in the chat window. Now together you can say these four questions. You can start solving. Let me see. First one is okay. Select star from EMP where salary not between 1500 to 3000. Where I did no. For dates are format sensitive. Whatever format the date is there, the same format you have to write, or else you will not get the output. Yes, that is correct, Ashwini. Okay, Ashwini has done it right. So no, Mamita, you cannot directly write like this. All dates are format sensitive. No, again Ashwini has given a wrong answer because whenever you have percentage, you have to give like operator. I don't see any like operator over there. No one has got right. If you are writing Ashwini percentage, you have to use like operator. No one has got right answer for second and third. Is there anyone who can get me right answer for second and third? First one is correct, okay. But second and third, I am not getting any right answer from anyone. No, you cannot do like that, Natasha, because all dates are format sensitive. You have to follow the DDMONYY. Format means this format. I just discussed, right, this format. But whenever you give percentage, there should be a like operator. We just discussed, right, 5 minutes back, like operator. No, you in the between operator, you cannot use like operator. That is a trick here. You don't need SQL. It's just little bit of thinking you require. If you can think little bit, you will get the answer. That's all is required now. Yeah, fourth one is correct. Yes, Ashwini, there is no problem. Second and third, people are not getting. Okay, here people are not getting right answer for second and third. First and fourth are okay. You are getting right answer. You have to think little bit about years. Let me do the first one. As first one, everyone has got it right. Let me make it white. Make it white, no color. Okay. Select star from EMP where salary not between 1500 and 3000. So first one is this one. There is no issue. Everyone has got it right. Can you see here? All the salary I have got before 1500 and after 3000. Not above 1500. Not between 1500 and 3000. I have got before 1500. I have got above 3000. Everyone clear about this? See notes, that's what I am telling, right? Saturday and Sunday notes. Monday you will be getting once you email to Quest IT EDU, which is already told. Every day, every week I am telling this. questitedu@gmail.com. Once you email, you will be getting the notes. Okay. Let us do the second and third. No one has got it right. See, second one, you have to understand the basic. Any year will start with, any year will start with which date? Any year will start with 01st January. Where I did, no, like between 01st January 81. You have to use little bit. This is not an SQL. This is just common thinking. Any year will end with 31st December. Like this. If you do like this, you will get the output. Now doing third one is not a difficulty. Once you get the answer of this. Where I did between 01 January 81 and 31st December 83. Can you see here? Yes. Next one is easy. Not between you have to use. This is the employee whose hire date is not from 1981 to 1983. You have to just use not between. Where hire date not between. You get the answer. That's always hire date not between. So you should not get the people who are in this date, not between 81 to 83. Before 81 it's okay. After 83 it's okay. Okay, the fourth one is simple. Fourth one is the EMP who are working in department number 10 and 20. So select star from EMP where department number in 10, 20 and salary not between 2000 and 3500. So I need only the people who are present in department number 10 and 20 and their salary should not be between, sorry, it has not copied. Let me copy, right click, copy. Okay, I've got EMP who are in department number 10 and 20 only and their salary should not be between 2000 to 3500. Below 2000 I have got, after 3500 I have got. Got that right? Any doubt in today's class? So I'll stop the class and we will take the class at 4 o'clock again. But any doubt? Class, next class is at 4 o'clock. Class will continue at 4 o'clock with group functions. Can have a small break or a big break, come back at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Today with group functions. See Sharanya, if you have missed the class, what I can do? I will have a video recording in my portal, but that would be a paid. If you are accessing my login, all the videos would be there, but that is a paid thing. Okay, or else maybe after 1 or 2 weeks I'll tell you the dates, which is the topic which I have missed, so you can attend that. Okay. So then let us meet at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Yeah, group functions I'll be doing at 4 o'clock. At 4 o'clock I'll be doing group functions. Very important function for job perspective. Saturday notes you have to ask our counselor. I have already told, call the numbers. Numbers here is also there, here only. If I do call the numbers, email ID I gave, see all the phone numbers are here. You can contact these phone numbers, call them now only and you can collect. Okay. I will not be giving, though there are people who will be giving. Okay. Okay, let us meet at 4 o'clock. Okay, thank you. Yes, I did at 2 o'clock I did like and between, just 2 operators, like and between I did. At 4 o'clock I'll be doing group functions, minimum, maximum, average, sum, count. This function, minimum, maximum, average, sum, count, very important. There will be a pakka interview question on this. Okay. Okay, alright. Yeah, thank you. Create table, new DPT, which is exactly as select star from DPT. So new DPT table got created. Select star from new DPT. Now what is the first command? This is the interview question. Recently in Siemens they had asked. So insert department number 60. So insert into new DPT values. I will insert not new EMP, new DEPT I want to insert. 60, maybe it is QA is a testing and it is Bangalore. So I have inserted department number 60. So now let me again use the notepad, because this single quotes in WordPad is referred in some other way. Maybe I have to see for this which is the keyboard syntax. So now I've inserted. Okay, my mistake. Insert into. Please understand, any doubt you have asked me or after the class also I can discuss with you individually. Select star from new DEPT. So you can see department number 60 got inserted. This is the first step. What is the next step? You have to update Dallas to Bangalore. See, you can update anything. I have just given more information. So update new DEPT, set location equal to Bangalore, BNGALORE, where LOC equal to Dallas, DALLES. So again, in my WordPad the issue is this is not taken as single quotes. That's why I am coming to the notepad and changing that to single quotes. It's okay, no problem. So now Dallas is there. This Dallas has to be changed to Bangalore. Let us see this. Oh, my mistake. LCO, LOC. One row updated. Now let me do select star from new DEPT. Can you see here? Dallas has been changed to Bangalore. Now my next thing is I will alter C. Means I will add a new column called any column. I just have to use alter command. Alter table new DEPT, add column name, add region varchar 20. The data types. Varchar data type we have. Now select star from new DEPT. So if you see, a new column called region has been added. Can you see here? Now what is the fourth point? I want to delete. So I will delete department number 30. So delete from new DEPT where department number equal to 30. Let me delete this. Now select star from new DEPT. Now my question is, if I do rollback, whether department number 60 which was inserted will be removed and Bangalore would be changed to Dallas again, region will also be removed and again delete where department number 30 will again come back, or any one position it will happen. That was my question. Now let us do rollback. See, Priyanshu has given an answer, will roll back because after alter command in DDL and delete executes, then it will roll back. Okay, see here, let me show you here, till where you will only get the answer. You only tell till where it has rolled back. This was the first insert command, it is there. Next is update command, Dallas to Bangalore, Bangalore is there. Next is adding a new column, region is there. Only delete has come back, that is only delete has rolled back where I deleted department number 30 which has come back. You got the answer everyone? The reason is, as soon as you issue a alter command here, as soon as you issue alter command, auto commit internally happens. Auto commit internally happens. That means previous to this everything gets committed. Whether insert, update, everything gets committed. After that only one command we have, that is delete. So only this gets rolled back. Simple answer, got this? See, Soumya, if alter is not used, only insert, update, delete is used, all will get rolled back. Whatever you have inserted, 60 will also go back, 60 department will go off. Update from Bangalore to Dallas, it will come back, delete also it happens. I want you guys to practice in database. That you have to do. I will not show you everything. Okay, see all these. See, if you start practicing most of the questions you have to me, you will get the answer by yourself. That is the best way of learning and also for preparing for the interview. You start asking the question, it's good you are getting doubts, but that doubts you can clear by yourself if you start practicing in your laptop. So very important and crucial in the course is you should have the software and you should start practicing. Okay. So Akshay says again, if you want all the records, you have got all the records, right? Okay, so alright, so now let us continue further. Good interview question. I wanted to discuss group functions today. That was the thing. Okay, let us discuss the group functions. Groups are simple yet very important, not only in the interview, even in the companies. Even working in the companies, group function becomes very important part. Okay, so you will not make a note, you will get this document. I will only type here group functions or aggregate functions. Group functions or aggregate functions. So group function, okay, we have following 5 group functions. We have following 5 group functions. Can you guys tell me which are the group functions? It's a simple thing. Many people know this. Following 5 group functions. What are the 5 group functions which we have? Yeah, max. Order by is sorting. Sorting of data. Yeah, max, min, max, min. Group by is not a group function. It is a keyword. Yeah, Mohammed has given good. Min, max, average, count. And one more is missing. Yeah, Narayan has given sum, average, count, minimum and max. Good. Okay, so now we have 5 group function. That is minimum. It returns minimum values. Next is maximum. It returns maximum value. Third is average. It returns average value. Fourth is count. It returns total number of records. Last is sum. It returns sum of values. It returns sum of values or total values. For example, select min of salary, max of salary, sum of salary, average of salary, count of salary from EMP. Let me run in the database. See, if you see in the table, select star from EMP, you will see what is the minimum salary in the table. In the table, the minimum salary is 800. So in our SQL, we have a function called min function, which will pull whatever column you give inside this function, that salary. What is the maximum salary in the table? We have 5,000. So we have maximum function, and sum of salary is total salary, 29,000. And average salary is total salary divided by number of records, means 14. 29,025 divided by 14 will give you the average. It's a max. So we have all these functions in SQL to do this activity, which is very important. So now simple questions for you. I hope it's a very simple question where I would expect the answer from you guys. Display total salary in department number 20. You guys should do. I have 5-6 questions, 3-4 questions. Together give me the answer. Display the number of employees present in department number 20 and 30. Third one, display the number of jobs. Display the number of jobs in EMP table. Display number of clerks present in department number 20 list the average salary of all the salesmen. So it is a simple question. Let me copy paste in the notepad. I'll copy paste in the notepad. So copy it in your notepad. I have copy paste in the chat. Copy it in your notepad, very important, and try to do that. And also I will show you the table. You can take some 2 minutes or 5 minutes and try to solve. Okay, all right. People have done. Okay. Select sum of salary, count of employee number, sum of salary, where department number equal to 20, count of e-name. Not got answer for all the questions. Sum of salary, okay. Count of salary, okay. For clerk question, I have still not got the answer. Salesman question, I have not got the answer still. If you are working, you can take another 2-3 minutes also. No problem. Okay. Count of, not EMP, count of e-name from EMP where department number in 20, 30. Yes, select count of job from EMP, Ashwini. After that, where job equal to clerk and department number equal to 20. Select average salary from EMP where job equal to sales. Okay, alright. So let me show you this over here. Okay, things has given answer. Department number equal to 20, count of department, second is okay, third is okay, fourth is you cannot give count of clerk. This is one mistake some people will do. Always syntax is you can write in the select star or column name. Clerk is a data inside the column what? Job. So you can give star or column name only. This is a syntax. Okay, always remember this syntax. Okay. Select it star or column. So let us do here. Everyone will come to know if you have done some mistake. Select sum of salary from EMP where department number equal to 20. So now let me do this. 10,875. This is the total salary for all the employees who are present in department number 20. Now let us do the next one. Display the number of jobs present in department number 20 and 30. So now number of jobs means whenever number comes we have function called count. Count of name from EMP where department number in 20, 30. So I need all the employees who are present in department number 20 and 30. So just here there are 11 people who are present in department number 20 and 30. Let me do the third one now. Display number of jobs in EMP table. So number of jobs, select count of job from EMP. That's all. I don't have any where condition because I have not asked for any specific data. I have just asked how many jobs are present in EMP table. I have 14 jobs in the EMP table. Okay. So now let us do the next one. What is the next one? Display number of clerks present in department number 20. So select number of clerks, count of job. Where the clerk come under the job column. From EMP, now you have to write condition for job clerk. Display number of clerks, yeah, and department number equal to 20. Or you can give count of name also. It is fine. Okay, invalid character because in my WordPad this is taken not as single quotes. I don't know what it is taking. So I have to always come to the notepad, change it and do it. Okay, clear about this basic thing? Okay, now basically group, as any person tells group, you should always remember that it is not for single person. It is always for group of people. If I tell group, it is never ever for single person. If I tell in my classroom or in my online class only, there are 50 people in my online class only. If I tell there are 50 people is group. But if I ask how many male and female group are there, how many group I'll get? How many male and female group if I tell? Do I get 50? I'll get how many groups? I'll get only 2 groups. Male can be 50 in my class and female can be 35. Female can be somewhere 35. So female can be 35. That means group is always for many people, not for individual. If I tell in my online class how many people I have connected from different state, it can be, I will not get here, I will have 77 or 80 people. I will not get like that. I can have only 5 group, maybe Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune, whatever it is. I can get only 4 group. In Bangalore there are 34 people, Chennai 22 or 12, again 23. So I will get number of groups is only 4. If I tell I want gender wise how many people are there, gender wise students, that means male there can be 50, female there can be 35. This is how gender wise. This is state wise or city wise, whatever it is. In the same way I am expecting, let me show you the table. I want in my EMP table, there are department wise people. I want in all 10, clubbing all the 10, what is the total salary? In all 20, what is the total salary? I have to sum all the things. In all 30, what is the total salary? Can anyone knows the syntax to do this? My question is straightforward. Let me do this last one. Select average it is simple, from EMP, where job equal to what? SALESMAN, where job equal to salesman. So now if I go here, go here, go here, go here and do okay, same error it's happening because this is one thing I have to check which command in my WordPad. I got 1400. So now my question as of now is display department number wise sum of salary. I will show you the output also. Output should be like this. If I tell department number wise sum of salary, for 10 there can be 6,700 total. For 20 there can be 9,000. For 30 it can be 8,500. Anyone knows how to do this? It is a rough sum. Don't think I have to get 6,700 only. It is just an example. No, it is sum. It is not count. How can you count the salary? You can count, but it is department wise sum of salary. Just asking you guys. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. No, I am expecting anyone knows the answer. That's all. Anyhow, I'll show you the answer I was expecting. Yes, now you have to use group by function. That is the speciality. Now I am grouping by something. See, in the Excel, in the first example, I am grouping group by city. In the second example, I might be grouping by gender. So you have to mandatorily use group by function. Yes, that's correct, Veena. Yes, good. So now let me give you one point on group by, so that will help group by clause. It is a process of segregating. It is the process of segregating the data. It is a process of segregating the data based on some category and computing the results Grouping can be done with the help of group by clause. Grouping can be done with the help of group by clause. So now let me do this here. Select. See what you have to display. Very simple. You want to display department number, sum of salary. Scott and Tiger. Okay. Select department number, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by department number. Just see for by which you are grouping here. You are grouping by department number. If I had asked you to do the query for this, you would have done select city. Simple. I am just showing you an example. Select city, comma, count of employee name, count of student from student table. If you add student table, group by what? Group by city. Just try to understand. If I had done for this gender thing, it would have been select gender, display. What you want to display? Gender and student. Student is count of student. From maybe this is a gender table. I am just giving an example. Group by what? Gender. Now people are able to understand what I meant to say. Okay. So now where is that? Okay, let me now run this query. After that I am doing so much because I have few questions for you guys which you will be solving. Before solving, you have to understand what I am trying to tell, what I am trying to do. This was my expectation. Department number 30, 9,400. This is nowhere for an individual person. This is for group of people. Department number 20, 10,875. Department number 10, 8,750. Okay. So now before giving question, I have one good scenario I wanted to give, like this only box. Okay, let me do that. What was this a question? It's a logical question which I'll ask, right? Let me see. See, there are 4 people. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Okay. Now there are 4 people. Okay, okay. There are 4 people who are standing in a queue. It's a good logical question. Who are standing in a queue, and there are 2 white caps and 2 black caps. There are 2 white caps and 2 black caps. Now tell me and assume this guy is there inside the room. That means he cannot see any person who is outside, and the outside people cannot see anyone. So let me number 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4th person cannot see any person who is outside, and outside people cannot see any person who is inside. There is a big man. What he does is he puts cap on all the people head. He puts cap on all the people head. Now you have to, now one person in this 4 people will tell what is the color of cap without seeing or removing the cap from their head. How you have to tell? How a person will tell what is the color of the cap on his head without asking anyone, without seeing that cap? This is my question. Got the question? Yeah, Sonika, I have many questions now. After this logical question, I will give you a lot of group function question. It's very important. Now, let me get the answer for this. Got the question right? There are 4 people who are standing in queue. Yes. The room is made of glass. No. Room is made of wall. No one can see. No one can see that guy. Repeat again, sir. Okay. If you want properly, I will do again here. There are 4 people. No, I have to practice in this digital pad writing as quickly as possible. Okay. Okay. So now there are 4 people. One guy, one more guy, one more guy, one more guy. So this guy is inside the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a one more guy who puts. There are 4 caps actually. 2 white cap, 2 black cap. So it is put on their head, and the people who are standing in this queue does not know what is the color of cap put on their head. Without seeing or without asking anyone, they have to tell what is the color of the cap on their head. So how it is done, you have to tell me. Same color cap people should no group. They can be in random order. Okay, front person means I have numbered. You have to tell first or second or third or fourth. Abhilash, you have to tell the number. 4th, same color cap people do the group. No, there is no group. It can be random. If it is group, it's very easy. Obviously, I don't want to ask the easy question. No, don't remember your SQL. Remove SQL from it for another 5 or 10 minutes. Now it's a logical question. No group by and all. They are standing in queue. It is a queue. If you stand one behind the other, that is called queue. In queue, last person can see these 2 people. For example, I'll tell you 4th person can see second and third person. Third person can see only second person. And second person cannot see first person cannot see anyone because he is inside the room. It is a wall. 4th person can see cap of third and second. So if 2 caps are eliminated, he can get this one. But you have to give me the scenario. How he will eliminate? Means how Sai, how it is possible? You have to give me a logical reasoning. Which person will tell, how he will tell proper story. You can chat, no issue. ಸರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, Ajit has written something. The people know that there are only 2 ads of each color. So if 4 observe the 2 and 3 have ads of same color, 4 would own it. If the however, if 2 and 3 have ads of, then 4 can say nothing. The key is that prisoner 3, after allowing an appropriate intervals and knowing what 4 would do, can deduce that if 4 says nothing, that if 4 says nothing, the acts on 2 and 3. I didn't understand, Ajit. Who will tell? Finally, which number will tell? You tell of that. First, at least I'll come to know whether you know the answer. 4th person can guess this cap. Pawan Kumar has written. If 2nd and 3rd person cap are of same color. Yes, Pawan Kumar, good, correct, but it cannot be the same. Now assume 2nd person has white color cap on his head and he has black color cap on his head. How does the 4th person will tell? Simple. Yes, obviously here 2nd and 3rd does not have the same color. 4th person can see 3rd and 2nd, and 1st person and opposite may see. Assume 1st person will not tell. Let me make it simple. 1st person will not tell. Only in these 3 people someone will tell. Only in these 3 people someone will tell. Who is this? And don't think both have same 2 white. Obviously it is easy. Assume the color combination is different. 4th person is seeing 2nd as white, 3rd as black. How we will tell? This is an example. He can also see the big man who is no, like that you cannot see. You cannot see the color of the cap on his head. Yes, I am asking in 2, 3, 4 who will tell and why, how he will tell. It is proper, no random, no closing the eyes, doing black magic, nothing like that. He will tell properly, logical. There is a logical answer. If 2nd and 3rd has the same cap, 4 will tell as the 2nd color cap. If 4th is not telling anything, 3 will understand that 2nd and 3rd wearing different colors, so he can tell his cap color that will be different than 2. Okay, that's correct, Ajit. Ajit has given the right answer. Other people try to understand what he has written and tell me the answer at least now. I got your answer. That's correct. Good. Not the 4th one, Ashwini. I will tell you the answer. The answer is told by 3rd person. He will tell the answer. How? You have to tell. Answer is told by the 3rd person. See, simple yaar. Let me again clear this and do it. See, simple thing. Oh my god. Okay. So now there are 4 people which I have already told. They are in queue or whatever it is. They are like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this person I told he will not answer. 4th person would have answered if it was simple. White, it was there, he would have answered black. If it was black, he would have answered white. but it is not so simple. It would be some mismatch combination. He will not answer. Now turn goes to the third person. Third person is a smart guy. Why smart? Because he understands why did not the fourth person answer. If it was white on R8, he would have answered black. If it was black, he would have answered white. So he understands that there is no same color cap on my head and the person who is in front of my head. There is a different color cap. So what he understands is, he sees the person who is in front of him. If his color of cap is white, he will tell black. If the front person color is black, he will tell white. So got the answer, people? Okay, I hope people have got. I will not spend more time. Okay. Audible, right? 1 minute. Is it audible, visible? Okay, yes, people are telling. Okay, yes. Okay, alright, yeah, good. Okay, so now let us continue with our group function. Anyhow, I want to give questions for you guys only, the group function questions. So this is the first question. I have a second question. I will show you the output also. Display department number wise count of employee name, that is 10, 20, 30. In 10 there can be 6 people. In 20 there can be 3 people or 5 people. In 30 there can be 3 people. This is the second question. Third question is display job wise count of employee name, that is job count of employee name means I am showing the output also how I want. Analyst is there can be 3 people. Clerk, there can be 5 people. It's an example count. Manager, there can be again 6 people. Fourth one is display job wise sum of salary. That means analyst is there can be sum of salary. It can be 7,000. It is not for one analyst, it is for group of people. Again I am telling, don't think only one clerk is there, he is getting this much. There can be 5 to 6 clerks, and manager can be there, it can be 9,000. Okay, can you guys try to do this? I can even copy paste in the notepad so that it would be easy for you guys. See, Pramela, some disturbance. I don't know what is the disturbance. Only for you it's happening. Others are clear. Maybe net issue from your side. So I have showed you that queries. It should happen for everyone. If 1 or 2 people, if it is happening, there is an issue from your end. Sir, syntax, please. Syntax is simple. Okay, if you want syntax, YNTX syntax, select, same thing, star, select column name, count of column name, from table name, group by column name, This is a syntax. I am pasting the syntax too. Will that demo be recorded? I can also see. Okay, alright, so people are doing. Okay, let me show you this. Second one, right? Select simple. What you want to display, department number, and it has to be count of employee name. From EMP, group by what? You are grouping by department number. You are grouping by department number. Okay, so now let me do that. Where is that? Okay. Okay, the password is ORACL. If you leave for some time, it will throw that error. Here I got in department number 10, 3 people are there. In department number 20, 5 people are there. In department number 30, 6 people are there. Now let us go ahead with the next one. Display job wise count of people. So next is select job comma count of e-name from EMP group by job. So now let us see this. I have got the output for particular job. How many people have joined? As a clerk 4 people, salesman 4 people, president 1 people, manager 3 and analyst 2 people. Now display job wise sum of salary. So select job comma sum of salary from EMP group by what? Job. Group by job. So now let me do that. I want job wise sum of salary. Clerk, what is the total salary? Salesman, what is the total salary? President, what is the total salary? Analyst, what is the total salary? Clear about this? Anyone, any doubt on these things? Can ask me now. Okay, good. So now I have one more question for you guys. See, this is a job wise sum of salary. I want to display job wise sum of salary only if the sum of salary is greater than 5,000. Means if the sum of salary is greater than 5,000, do I need to get clerk data? Do I need to get president data? If I tell sum of salary is greater than 5,000, I should not get clerk data. I should not get president data. I should get only salesman data. I should get manager and analyst data. So can you guys write a query for this? The question is simple. Display job wise sum of salary only if the sum of salary is greater than 5,000. Okay, let us do that. If you are telling like that, let me do. Select job comma sum of salary from EMP group by salary where salary greater than 5,000. Is it like this? Let me run this. It is throwing an error. SQL command not properly ended. The same thing I have given. Select job comma sum of salary from EMP group by job where salary greater than 5,000. It is showing an error. Here, anyone knows a proper and right answer? I am looking for a right answer. Okay, one more person had done properly, but somewhere it is wrong. It is not correct. Okay, you want group by job. Yes. Even if I do group by job, I will not get the output. Let me show you. Okay, it is my mistake. Salary I put. But now also I will not get the output. Just look here. It is telling the same error. Sorry, yeah, group by job, yes. So sum of salary, where sum of salary. Okay, someone has given where sum of salary. Let me do where sum of salary. People want me to do here sum of salary. I am looking, does anyone already knows the right answer? It is throwing an error. Sorry, yeah, where sum of salary, it is throwing an error. Yes, Abhishek has got it right. Whenever you are filtering aggregate function, what is aggregate function? Sum of salary is an aggregate function. Whenever you are filtering aggregate function, filtering condition becomes having sum of salary, count of e-name. On all these things, if you are doing filtering, see here, yes, all these things you are doing filtering, you have to use aggregate, having as the filtering condition, having as the filter condition. So that is the difference between where and having. In interview they can ask the question, where it is used to filter plain values. It is used to filter plain values. Plain values means select salary from EMP where salary greater than 2000. Whenever you don't have aggregate function, you have to use where as the filtering condition. But having, when you have a query like this, select department number, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by department number, having sum of salary greater than 2000, then you have to use having. Can you see the difference? This is a plain value, this is a aggregate value. There are only two types of filtering condition, one for plain values, where one for group function. Whenever you have sum of salary, average of salary, count of e-name, you have to use having as the filtering condition. If you use where, it will not work. Okay, having is used to filter group values or aggregate values. Having is used to filter group values or aggregate values. Okay, so now let me show you this output. Let me show you this output. You got an output. See here, having. If you use where, it throws an error. It is telling where cannot work. You have to use having. Got right? And one more question I will give you for you guys. Let me see whether you will be able to do or you will get confused. The same question, one more extra addition I will put for the same question. What is that addition is? Display job by sum of salary only if the sum of salary is greater than 5000 and employee should not be present in department number 20. I need to get sum of salary where sum of salary is greater than 5000, but I don't need the people who are present in department number 20. Simple. A difference between where and having. Where is used to filter plain values. Okay, where is used to filter plain values. Let me show you practically. I will just copy paste this over here. Question. Where? See, that's what I gave. If I show you in the table, select star or select department number, comma, salary from EMP, where salary greater than 2000. Salary greater than 2000. So I got all the department number where salary is greater than 2000. It is for individual person. Better to show you like this. Employee name, comma, salary from EMP where salary greater than 2000. It is for each and every person. but it's not a group function. Whenever you use group, it is for many people. See here, select, if I do job, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by job having sum of salary greater than 2000. I'll get only those jobs which salary is greater than 2000. It is for group of people. Whenever you write like this, it is for a single non-group value. Okay. Pawan Kumar has written some way. Let me see whether I'll get the output of that. Okay, I will type whatever you have typed here. Let me see. Select department number, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by job, having sum of salary greater than 5000 and department number not in 20 and department number not in 20. See here, now let me do this. Whether I didn't got the output, it is an error, syntax error. Syntax is not proper. That's what I am telling. I just told there are only two filtering conditions. Whenever you have sum of salary, you have to use having. This is not a aggregate function. Then what you have to give? I just told you the answer. What do you have to give? If it is not a filtering condition, then what you will give? Good, Sandeep. You have to use where condition. There can be where condition and having condition in a single SQL query. That is what I want to tell from that time. Only if you have aggregate in this line, you cannot use where, you have to use having. If you have department number, it is not aggregate, but it is a filtering condition, you have to use where. But yeah, good. Where, having, and again Priyanshu, you have written properly, but SQL follows some syntax. However you write, you will not get the output. SQL follows some syntax. The syntax, all people just copy in your notebook. It's okay even if I give, not give. This is a basic thing which you need to know. Syntax for writing SQL query. That is, first you have to write select, means if you have from, after that where, after that group by, after that having, after having, last line will be always order by. So this is the syntax for writing any SQL query. For writing any SQL query, you should have this syntax. Select from where, copy it in your book, no problem. Keep a book always with you. Copy this. You are writing any SQL query, if you have all this, it is not something all SQL query should have all these things. But if you have where, whenever where, you have to write after from. After group only you have to write having, and order by should be the last line of SQL query. This works for all the database, whether it is Oracle, Sybase, DB2, SQL Server, MySQL, all the things. It's very important. Based on this you do a query. Again people are doing mistake. Okay, I'll paste on chat, no issue. But I want you guys to write a query for this. Write a query now, proper query. Let me see the query. Question. You guys forgot the question, the same question. You didn't give me the right answer. Where is the question? The same question. This question only. I will chat again. Select job from where. good. Veena is given where department number not in 10, group by job, having sum of salary. You don't need again and you cannot give in and is not required. Okay, simple. Yeah, let me only show you. Simple. What is that? Select this one, department number, comma, sum of, not department number, it was job. Select job. Yes, Soumya has got it right. Good. Job, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by job, having sum of salary greater than what? What was the thing? 5,000. And I missed out one more thing. After from there is a where. That's all. Where department number not in 20. That's all. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. Okay, I have to run here. I got. I have not got the salary which is in department number 20. Clear? Anyone? Any doubt? But this is the best way. Follow this way. If it is working well and fine, but use this where condition. It is a proper way. Anyone? Any doubt in this? I have few more questions now. I want you guys to solve for the day. All are interview questions. Let me see. So the next questions would be display. Okay, display the department number. Display the department number and the count which has more than 5 employees in it. The first one. Second one would be easy. Display the department number and the count which is exactly 3 employees in it. Third one. Display job wise, display salary wise count of e-name. Display salary wise count of e-name. Display job wise, department wise. Fourth one, let me do display job wise, department number wise, maximum salary. Okay, try to do this. Try to do this. I'll just send a chat window. What voice, Sonika? Which voice is disturbing? What kind of voice you are getting? Because today, I don't know, some people, next building, some work is doing on only today. Maybe because of that, some drilling voice you might be hearing. Because they are drilling something in the next building where I am taking the training. So maybe that voice you might be facing for the day. Okay. Anyhow, it's only today. From tomorrow it will not happen. It's okay. Another 10 minutes we will end the class for the day. Anyhow, I will have all these recorded videos with me. Or is it only for you? If it is only for you, what what you have to do after the class, you test with our counselors, or tomorrow morning you test with our counselors, or you can only test with one more code to your laptop whether it's working fine or not, like that. See again, Pawan Kumar, that is wrong. Where count of EMP is wrong, right? Because as soon as you do count of column name, you have to use having. You cannot use where. Where is the answer from other people? Okay, you guys can do it, no problem. You can take it. See, that's what Pramod, that is what I will tell you today after the class about the fees payment, because by tomorrow I'll be ending the free sessions. From next week I'll be starting Informatica. Remaining SQL classes I'll take in the middle of Informatica. For example, subqueries, joins, and other things, primary key, foreign key, all these things would be taken in Informatica classes. So from next week, if you are planning to attend, it would be a paid session. You have to pay and attend my classes. And with the payment, what are the things you will be getting is, you will be getting a login ID where all my videos are there. You can see it n number of times. There is no problem. All the videos, all the PDF files, whatever notes is there, all the notes you will get. Again, software should be over there. And once complete the course, there will be a internship certificate, course completion certificate, and the placement support. All these things will be there. So that is what it happens. Tomorrow would be the last free classes. After that, you guys plan up. You are really interested, you can join. I am the only trainer. I'll be taking all the classes myself. So you would have already analyzed how well I will be training. And you can, if you are in Bangalore, you can always come on weekend and meet me. If you have any doubt, we can sit and discuss. See, there are two things. 5,000 is the fees, but another 500 rupees will go to the government. 5,000 plus 500 is tax. If you are paying through online, okay, 5,500. If you are coming to the Bangalore Institute, to my office, I will not take the tax. I will do only for 5,000. But because this 500 will go to the government, it is not for me. It is not 500. Actually, more it will go. It will go 1,200 or 1,500. It is 13 or 14% tax, service tax. So I am putting more from my pocket. It's okay. Even if it goes from my pocket, 1,000 rupees. But if you directly pay the cash coming to Bangalore Institute, it is only 5,000. Some sound is coming only today because there is a drilling in the next building. It's okay. So from tomorrow it will not happen. Yes, he can join. There is no issues. Who is interested can join the classes. Next Saturday, that is 29th. At 2 o'clock, again I will be taking from the first day 1 classes. So ask him to attend, Pramod, ask him to attend on 29th at 2 o'clock. Okay. Okay, Sims has given the answer. Classroom classes, as of now, I have stopped to take online because sometimes I would be traveling. I might not be in India. My office work demands me sometimes to be in UK or US. That is the reason why I am taking online. Even if I am sitting in any location, I can meet. So right now I was taking classroom. I have just stopped. For whom we have to pay? If it is classroom, there are counselor. If it is online, tomorrow I will give you the HDFC account number, IFSC code, branch code, everything. You can transfer there. That transaction ID you get, you have to pass to me, and we will give you a receipt. We will write a receipt. For example, Sharanya, we will write a receipt ID, and we will send a soft copy to your email. And also we will give you the membership card, ID card. Once you are member with Quest I Learn, not only this course, the new course if we are starting, there will be a lesser price. Maybe you will get subsidy or something like that, because this is not the only course which we have. We have other courses also. Maybe tomorrow you need support on any other courses also, we will do that. That is how we do. See, that's what Natasha, live class I have just stopped. I told fees, if you come to the office and pay, I will not take the tax because I will not show that to the government. If I show to the government, it is 5,500 and it is difficult for me. Better you come to office and pay, at least we will get 5,000 or else another 1,000 rupees tax gets deducted for me. Classroom classes, as of now I have stopped. Yes, if tomorrow would be last for free classes, I will take these classes for another 2 months and I will also help in supporting a job for the people. No, you pay 5,500. You pay 5,500. If you are far, don't come. I am just telling, if you are in Bangalore, you are near, you can come. Or else better to pay 5,500 through online transfer. Tomorrow I will give you IFSC code, everything. Okay. What are the courses I have already told? We will start with SQL. We are doing SQL. After SQL, there will be ETL, Informatica, which is where I am focusing because minimum package a fresher will get is 3.5 lakh package in Informatica. After that, there will be data warehouse. After that, there will be PLSQL. There will be a live project. Live project is very important. I am working in the company, the same project I will show here. Lot of things I will be discussing, FS, TSD document, which can be told only by the person who is working in the company. After that, PLSQL, Unix, there will be a mock interview and placement from placement cell. From placement cell. This is what you will get, and there will be a certificate. Okay, there will be 2 certificates, as I have already told. Again I am remembering. One is course completion and one more is internship certificate. So this is the benefit what you will get with the entire course. Where are the other things? SQL, PLSQL, yeah. Yes, SQL, ETL, run this. Okay. So now, whatever I am doing is discounted, Chandra. People charge for this 25 to 30,000. Believe me. Believe me. I am not taking money for myself. No one is funding me. I am putting all this on you guys only, on you students. See, offline, Sharan, as of now I have stopped the offline class. One class is going on. I have completed 50%. That will not help you. See, interview process, Natasha, how the interview process will happen is, once after course is completed, first you have to attend the interview from our side. We will give the rating, SQL, Informatica, PLSQL, your communication, after resume preparation, everything. Out of 10, minimum you have to get 6 or 7. That is the range. Once you are getting 6 or 7, we will be pushing to the clients your resume and you have to attend the interview in the company. That is how it happens. Java is also there. We have stopped Java because we have more openings on this side. Yes, tomorrow would be the last free class. See, you are really good. I don't take any money. If you are, Chandra, you are good in any technology, come and meet me. I will help you in providing the interview call next week on. Okay, now let me complete this. After that, I will have some discussion with you. So let us come back to the questions what we were doing. Display the department number and count which has more than 5 employees. So now select department number, comma, count of e-name from EMP, group by department number, having count of e-name greater than 5. So now I have to get that department number. which has more than 5 employees in it. So let me do this in your Oracle. Oracle is the password. I have got department number 30 which has 6 people. Now let me do the next one. Display the department number which has exactly 3 employees in it. It is very easy. We have to make it as equal to 3 because I need the department number which has exactly 3 employees. Department number 10 which is 3 employees. So now display salary wise count of people. Display salary wise count of people. Select salary comma count of ename from EMP group by salary. So I have got with particular salary how many people have joined my organization. With 3000 there are 2 people, with 1250 there are 2 people. Okay, and let us do the last one. Display job wise, department number wise, maximum salary from EMP group by job comma department number. You have to give 2 group by because now we are not only grouping by job wise, we are grouping by department wise also. With manager in department number 20, what is the maximum salary? With president in department number 10, what is the maximum salary? Clerk department number 10, what is the maximum salary? Clear about this? Okay. See, internship certificate we will provide. With that many people have got the job. Whatever project I show, right, that is a project which is going on in the company. So I will help you in providing 5-6 months as an intern. That means you have come and worked in the organization. With that, it is very easy to get any job. See, Natasha, technical interview would be there, but I would definitely tell you to prepare for aptitude, and aptitude would not be so much difficult. Let me tell you, I will show which are all the topics you have to prepare for aptitude. Don't you see some Agarwal where it would be very technical and you lose the hope. There are very simple like number series, some logical questions where you have to little bit think. If you feel very difficult, leave it, because most of the company ask simple question. If you have little bit common sense, you can clear. I will help you out there what you have to read. Live project. See, obviously live project, even if you come to the classroom, okay, what I will do is I will show in laptop and screen. That's what I am telling. Every Saturday I keep a doubt clearing session. If you are in Bangalore, you can come meet me. Sir, in this week I was not able to understand this. Can you show me? I will sit with you guys and I will clarify. It is not only online. You can always meet me if you are in Bangalore. The problem is I have connected to entire India, Pune, Hyderabad, and it is difficult. That is why I am taking online. Yes, Vikrant, tomorrow would be the last SQL class, but SQL is not completed. Still 20 to 25% of SQL is there, which I will be taking in Informatica. Yes, you can come tomorrow only, Nikhil. If you are free, you can come tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock. I will be there in the office. Bangalore, Vijayanagar. You can call to the number and know the address, or you can just see the address in the website. We have a website and the Facebook. Where is that? Google is opening. See, internship certificate would be once course is completed. You need not to worry. See, interviews, that's what till now I was doing the interviews. Interview panel was coming to my office. We were having an interview here, but people are in different places. Maybe I will have a Skype setup for the people who are outside. Once your first round is cleared, if you are not clearing first round, again you have to attend. Every 15 days or 20 days you will have one interview. So you are not clearing, again you have to attend the interview. Okay. We are very particular. I will give you some online test and all. Okay. questisland.org is our website. Okay. questisland.org. You go here. you will get all the information. Yes, QUEST quest ilearn.org. So we have many courses. Okay, you go here, you will see the courses. You have Selenium, Data Warehouse, Python, Informatica, all these courses we have. Okay. Sharanya, yes, Saturday and Sunday I'll be taking for longer duration. Once I merge all you people, once after this, maybe after next week, I'll be taking for 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Continuously I'll be taking, giving some short breaks. Actually, tomorrow is the last class. After that, if you are attending next Saturday, that is on 29th, I will be taking only the people who have paid the fees on my 29th class. That is next Saturday. You have another 8 days to pay the fees. Tomorrow I'll give you the HDFC account number, everything. What you have to do after doing, you will be generating a transaction ID. That transaction ID you have to email. After that, we will send you a receipt and give you a membership card, and you have to give us your photos. I'll tell you about the procedure. 5,500 is more than enough. I don't want anything more than that for all this thing. Yes. There will be many classes here. After this Informatica, I'll start easily 1.5 month Informatica I'll take. Easily two months I'll take. 1.5 to 2 months I'll definitely take 2 months. And there will be lot of classes. Again, resume preparation class would be there. Project only will be going on for 8 to 10 hours. Tomorrow meet me at 11. Okay, I'll share the answer for the questions. Yes, only Saturday and Sunday, because weekdays I'll be working in the company. When do the total course gets completed? That's what? April, May, complete May, June. By June mid or end, definitely we will complete. June is required. Yeah, class notes I will be emailing to the Quest IT EDU. From there only you will get. Still, we have just done only 20%. Still 80% of syllabus is there. SQL, another 20% syllabus is there. Total course, as I told, by G. No branches in Pune. That's why I am taking online Veena. No branches in Hyderabad. Again the same answer. That's why I am taking online. If I had branch, I would have never done online. Okay. Okay. Yes, obviously, only for the paid students from next week I'll be taking the classes, and again I'll give you the video portal with your username, password, where you can see all my videos, where you can understand each and everything, and we will have a doubt session also on class. Okay, thank you. If I miss any class, that's what, I will have other online batches also where you can attend, and again I will have the video portal where you can see the previous date videos. So one guy has asked for the answers of this question. Anyhow, you will be getting this file once you email. And once you have the login, you need not to ask for these notes. I have a complete notes file in one of the login portal. So you can easily download that thing by yourself. You need not to worry asking the notes every week. It's only, as of now, it's free. So our employees will share you. But once you pay, you will get the login ID where all the notes would be there, whatever I do. Okay, now I will send this. See, Natasha, right now I am not teaching aptitude, but I'll help you in preparing aptitude, because I myself take an interview in the company, so I know what are the things. Actually, after the running notes is enough as of now, because more than running notes you have to do practically, because in interview, whether I do SQL, whether I do Informatica, whether I do PLSQL, they ask practical question. Another 20 questions are conceptual. At the end of the class, I have lot of bundle of soft copies, which I'll be sharing you guys. I have almost 1 GB of soft copies, which I'll be sharing you. You need not to take any notes and read. Okay, this is more than enough. You have to solve more questions, more technical questions to get the job. Yes, obviously from next week, who have paid, only they are allowed to attend my classes. Tomorrow will be same. Yes, tomorrow only at 4 o'clock. Tomorrow we have class only at 4 o'clock. Okay, any questions? Any doubt? See, many of my students are working in different companies. That is what I am telling. Once the course is completed, my students only will ask for any students are really good because they are getting reference. The company will have openings. They will call me or email us. Okay, all right. No doubts. I will also stop tomorrow at 4 o'clock only. Okay, thank you. See, Narayanan, I have told you 10 times for your answer. Okay. Okay, thank you. Anyone, any doubt can interact here. I will stay for another 5 minutes. Yes, Narayanan, only paid people are eligible from next Saturday. Tomorrow you can attend. No, Natasha, no 2 o'clock because almost all the portions are completed with this batch. So at 2 o'clock or at 4 o'clock only. Address is here. openquestisland.org if you are in Bangalore. Address is here. Tomorrow I will give you that HDFC account number, everything. Yes, net banking I will tell you. Tomorrow I will give you. SQL another 25% is left, 25 to 30%. No, Sharan, as of now it's only online class. Offline class as of now I will not be taking. Okay, group by examples here. What is the doubt you have? Group by example. The group function. If I want to display department number wise. See, group why we use, you have to understand the concept. For example, I want to give gender wise number of people, number of students. I'll get only 2 groups, male and female. So male can be 23, female can be 33, or male can be 33, female can be 23. So if I write a query for this, select gender, comma, number of count of student from EMP, group by gender, This is how I write. Yes, all the videos obviously I will give because it would be there in the portal. Once you pay, we will create a login ID, username and password. With that you can view the videos. After Informatica, we will start Vikram. Got this point, Geeta? Geeta, are you able to understand? What is the query to display the salary of all the people for a whole year? Just give here where condition. Simple. Your question only I'll take. Select. Display all the salary for the whole year. Yeah, sum of salary from EMP where year equal to 2016, where year equal to 2016, 01 or January 01, where year between, between lower limit, we did between right today, and 2016 December 31st, that's all. Okay, any other doubt? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. If no one has any doubt, we will meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Anyone, any doubt can ask me on any topic, any issue, or else I will also exit the class tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Yes, it was here. In EMP table it is higher date. I just gave you a normal example, general example. You can use higher date. Yes, that's correct. Higher date you have to use. Okay. Okay, then I am exiting. By tomorrow at 4 o'clock we will be meeting. Thank you.